guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find your most played songs on Spotify. So in this case, I'm gonna be using the Spotify on desktop, and to find your most played songs, just click on your name at the top of the Spotify and then click on your profile here. Then after that, your profile will be open, and here are the list of my top artists this month. And also to see the most played song, we can just scroll down, and here you can find the top track this month. So here is the top track, which means that the songs is most played on my Spotify. And you can also click on show all to show the songs like this, to show more songs. Okay, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.